Forgotten username recovery failed on Chime Credit Builder Fix. If you've tried to recover your Chime Credit Builder username and kept hitting dead ends, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because Chime Credit Builder no longer relies on traditional usernames. Instead, your registered email or phone number is now the key to accessing your account. The surprising truth is that guessing usernames usually wastes time and leads nowhere. Here's the step-by-step fix. Step 1. Open the Chime app or website and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email address or phone number linked to your account. This is how Chime identifies users securely. Step 2. If you don't have access to that email or phone number, you'll need to verify your identity. Prepare details such as your full name, date of birth, and any account-specific information. Chime uses this to ensure only you can regain access. Step 3. After verification, you may be prompted to reset your password. Follow the instructions sent via email or SMS and check your spam folder if it doesn't arrive right away. Step 4. If all else fails, contact Chime support directly. Explain that your username recovery attempts failed and provide the required personal information. Their team will securely guide you through the recovery process. Many users assume losing a username means permanent lockout, but in reality, Chime Credit Builder shifted to email and phone-based login to improve security and simplify access. By following these steps, you can quickly regain access. Focus on your registered email or phone, verify your identity when necessary, and you'll be back building your credit confidently and managing your Chime account without stress.